Welcome to Learn English for Life.
Good morning, Justin. How are you, buddy?
Morning, Harry. I'm fit as always.
Is this your dog?
Yes, his name is Milo.
Wow, it looks quite big and dashing. Is it Doberman?
It is Great Dane. I know they look quite similar. I see people often confusing it for a Doberman.
I never heard about Great Dane.
I understand. Many of them are not aware of this breed. They are originally from Germany.
Amazing! So you got it transported from Germany?
Not really. This breed is big in number and can be found in most of the countries around the world without any issues.
That's kind of news to me. I like its color. Looks like a gentle giant but does not seem so.
That is not true. He surely is a very friendly and affectionate animal.
I want to believe you, but unfortunately, I can't, as I see him aggressive in nature.
You will believe me only when you will initiate.
And how am I supposed to be doing that?
Don't you want to stroke him?
I would love to, as long as he does not bite me. You know I am very scared of dogs.
Don't worry, he will not bite you. He actually enjoys meeting new people, especially when he sees me being friendly with them.
Oh, so he does observe you minutely.
Yes, he can read the love and hate body language very well, and that is how he changes his temperament.
Wow, I'm impressed. You know many things about this breed.
Don't forget. Call him Milo.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, what does he eat?
There are plenty of varieties of dog food available in supermarket. And he especially enjoys the meat-based food products.
Great, so who buys that stuff for him?
There are plenty of varieties of dog food available in supermarket. And he especially enjoys the meat-based food products.
Amazing.
Don't you have any pet, Harry?
No offense, but I honestly do not approve pets. I do not have much time for myself, and taking care of a pet is an impossible thing for me.
I understand, but it's not that difficult to handle them. They are just like us. Their needs are not different than us. Consider them as humans and everything just becomes easy.
What a great thought, Justin. I will surely think about this. Maybe one day I will have a pet dog too.
It was nice meeting you, Harry. I got to go now as I have to visit the pet supply store.
Pet supply store for what?
To buy some dog food, toys, and some t-shirts for my Milo. He loves shopping. I told you.
All right, buddy. Take care. See you soon.
You too, mate.
So Todd, you live in Japan. Do you see your family often?
Yes. I see them often. I see them usually once a year, but I write to them often, and I call them sometimes.
Okay. And when you see them, Do you go to the United States to visit them, or do they come to Japan?
I go to America, and then everyone goes to my mom's house, and everybody meets me at my mom's house, which is nice. I see my sister, and we talk a lot, and it's good.
Does your mother miss you?
Yes. She misses me and I miss her a lot, so it's very nice to see her, and also, I miss my dad. I miss him a lot, so I'm always happy to see him.
Nice. What about your sister? When you are in the United States, do you have some activities you like to do together?
Yeah, sometimes we do stuff together. Maybe I will meet her at a cafe, or I will go shopping with her, so we do something fun each time I go back.
Nice.
Also, when I go home, I see my best friend, and that's always nice. I usually meet him for dinner, and of course I call him, and it's always nice to see my best friend. How about your family?
Well, since I live in Japan, I also call them and write them, but usually, we only Skype about once a month.
Oh. So, who do you Skype with the most, your mom or your dad?
I Skype the most with my father, because he wakes up very early, so his time and his schedule match my schedule. So it is easy for us to Skype.
Do you call him or does he call you?
I usually call him, but sometimes he calls me. Usually, if he calls me, it's because I have not called in a long time.
Oh. So sometimes, you make him mad.
A little angry.
Right. That's nice.
But
You have a brother too, right?
I do have a brother, and I call him less frequently, because he is so busy with his job. So we speak about once or twice a month, by messages or by phone.
Oh, that's nice. Do you follow your family on social media?
Yes. I use Facebook.
Oh, I use it too.
It is a really easy way to keep in contact with them.
Yeah, I agree. What about other social media? Do you use Twitter?
No. I don't use Twitter, and I don't use other social media either, only Facebook.
Ah, that's good, I think. Too much is too bad.
I agree, but I do love Facebook, because I can speak with my brother, and my mother, and my father anytime.
So, with Facebook, do you check it every day?
I do check it every day. Maybe it's a bad habit, but I do like to check it every day. Do you check your Facebook every day?
Not every day. I check it maybe 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Yeah, I don't use it much, and I don't use it on my phone.
Oh? That's a good idea.
Yeah. I like my free time.
Do you use other social media, such as Twitter or Instagram?
I do use Twitter, but I don't use it on my phone. I only use it on the computer.
Okay. What about Instagram?
Oh, I don't use it at all. Do you use it?
No, I don't use it.
Oh, that's right. You only use Facebook.
I only use Facebook.
Oh, interesting. Well, That's nice that we can talk to our family on Skype and Facebook, because Japan is so far from America.
Yes, and I think they are very happy too.
Yeah, I think they are happy.